First, make a magic loop, like so. In the loop, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then insert 2 half double crochets in the side. 1, 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets again. 1, 2. Then a chain and then 1 half double crochet, like so. When you're finished with row 1, pull the loop together from the magic circle, to tighten it. Now what you're going to do is turn your piece. So I'm turning it like so. We started like this. Now I'm going to turn it around. And you're going to chain 3 to start. 1, 2, 3. Now in that first chain 1 space, as you can see here, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Next, chain 1. And in the next space, this is the chain 2 space, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets. Chain 2. And then insert 2 more half double crochets in that same chain 2 space. After that, chain 1, and then that next chain 1 space, or actually it's a chain 3 space here, but in this space you're going to add 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1, and then in this you're going to add 1 half double crochet on the top of the chain, the third chain from the previous row. So here's 1, 2, and 3 is up here. You might have to pull a little bit to see it. And so I'm going to insert my hook. Oops. Like so. And finish off my half double crochet. Now, you're going to turn the piece again. Turn it. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the first chain 1 space, right here, insert 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. In the next, what you do next is chain 1, and in the next space, insert 2 half double crochets again. 1 and 2. Chain 1, and now you've come to that big chain 2 space. This is what's going to go down the middle. What you put here is going to be 2 half double crochets, 1 chain, and 2 more half double crochets. So let's get started. 2 half double crochets, and then chain 2, and then 2 half double crochets in that same chain 2 space. This is going to be the tip of your triangle. You can kind of see it come to form here, like so. This tip will always have 2 half double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 more half double crochets. And at the beginning, or at both sides of the triangle, you'll mostly be doing 2 half double crochets in the chain 1 space. Just note that when you get to the very end, like with the chain 3s at the end, you're gonna put 2 half double crochets, 1 chain, and then a half double crochet in that 3rd chain from the previous row. So let's finish up this row. Chain, we did 2 half double crochets. I'm going to chain 1. Next is my chain 1 space, so I'm going to add 2 half double crochets. Then chain 1. There's my chain 3 space here. I'm going to add 2 half double crochets. Chain 1, and at the very end, insert a half double crochet at the 3rd chain from the hook. I'm going to have to pull these stitches up a little to see it. So here's 1, 2, and 3 up here. Insert my hook. Finish off my half double crochet. And that finishes off the row. So I'm going to keep working back and forth and back and forth, turning the piece each time as I work. I will do 1 more row so that you get the pattern of how this goes, and then you'll be making this repetitively. You're just going to follow instructions for this over and over until you feel that your shawl or your triangular scarf is large enough to your liking. So here, to start the new row, I'm going to turn, chain 3 to begin. In that first space, chain 1 space, insert 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, insert 2 half double crochets. Chain 1. In the chain 1 space, remember, add 2 half double crochets. Chain 1. And now we've come to that chain 2 space. Remember, it's at that tip of the triangle, so it's a little special. We're going to be adding 2 half double crochets, then 2 chains, and then 2 more half double crochets. And that completes the tip of that triangle. Then chain 1. And in these chain 1 spaces, add 2 half double crochets each. So 1 and 2. Chain 1, 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Chain 1, add 2 half double crochets at the very end with these 3 chains. 1 and 2, and then you're going to chain 1 and put 1 half double crochet at the 3rd chain from that last row of 3 chains. So right here at the tip. Oops, tip top. There we go. And there you have it. Here is a mini triangle. Let me stretch it out a little bit. My mini triangle so far. Again, you're going to work this pattern back and forth, following the written pattern instructions. That's on my website, so be sure to check that out. It's in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much, and have a fun time crocheting. Bye now.